Today I am starting derivative of composite function. This is the second class on derivative. Derivative of composite function, also known as chain rule, and how to do the derivative of this composite function. Say y is a function of fx, y is a function of u, u is a function of v, v is a function of say w, and w is a function of say x. Question asks to find dy by dx. So here y is a function of u is a function of v is a function of w is a function of x, and question asks from y to x, that is derivative of y with respect to x. In between nothing has asked. So we have to find dy dx in the following method. Dy by dx can be written as dy, this is dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, we have not written dx over here, we have written at the last. Over here, since y is a function of u, so introduce u over here and du, so that it will be balanced. Then u is a function of v, so introduce dv here, and dv we are multiplying so that it will be balanced. V again multiply, v is a function of w, so it will be w and w. So dy by dx will be dy by du into du by dv into dv by dw into dw by dx. If here we have given example, u, v, w are connected in between y and x. Maybe one function connected, maybe more than three functions connected. So according to, we have to write the formula. Example. So example 1. So y equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 3 whole to the power 10. Find dy by dx. So here we are finding y is a function of x, but it has power 10. So initially what to take? Let y equal to u to the power 10, where u equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 3. So since y is a function of u, then dy by du equal to d du of u to the power 10. The answer will be 10u 10 minus 1, that is 10u to the power 9. Here u is a function of x, so therefore du by dx equal to ddx of 2x square plus 5x plus 3, that is ddx of 2x square, ddx of 5x plus ddx of 3. So therefore we will get 2 into 2x, 5 into 1 plus 0, that is 4x plus 5. We are applying formula now. After applying formula, dy by dx equal to, between y and x we have only one function we have introduced, that is u. So dy by du into du by dx. Dy by du answer is 10u to the power 9 into du by dx answer is 4x plus 5, and therefore 10 into 4x plus 5, and we are replacing the value of u, and that is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 3 to the power 9. So this is the answer. Dy by dx equal to, this is the answer of dy by dx. That is, we have done this one by chain rule. So chain rule is applicable only such cases when a big function is given in terms of so many form. Example 2. Say y equal to sine x square. Y equal to sine x square. So how to do? Here we will take, let y equal to sine u and u equal to x square. So therefore dy by dx equal to dy by du, not x, dy by du, du of sine u, which is cos u, and u equal to x square, and therefore du by dx equal to ddx of x square, which is 2x. Finally dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. dy by du answer cos u, and du by dx answer 2x. Final answer 2x cos u, that is 2x cos x square. So this is the answer. Example number 3. Say y equal to tan of e to the power x. Here what to take? Let y equal to tan u and u equal to e to the power x. So how to do? dy by du, ddx of tan u, du of tan u, which is sec square u, and du by dx e to the power x. Final answer, therefore dy by dx, dy by du into du by dx. dy by du, that is sec square u, du by dx is e to the power x. So final answer e to the power x sec square u, that is e to the power x, and sec square u means sec square e to the power x. So this is the answer. One more. Example number 4. Say y equal to cos of sine root x. Y equal to cos of sine root x. At that time what to do? Let y equal to cos u equal to sine root x or sine v, and v equal to root x, that is x to the power half. From here dy by du equal to minus sine u, which you can write minus sine u means sine root x, du by dv is cos v, that is cos root x, and dv by dx, derivative of x to the power half. The answer will be half x to the power half minus 1, half x half minus 1, which will be written as 2 root x. Finally dy by dx, dy by du, du by dv, and dv by dx. dy by du will be minus sine of sine root x du by dv equal to cos root x, and dv by dx equal to 1 by 2 root x. So therefore, if you arrange minus 2 root x cos root x sine of sine root x. So this is the answer. Example 5. Let y equal to root over sine of x square plus 5. Y equal to root over sine of root over x square plus 5. So in this case, what to do? Let y equal to root u, where u equal to sine root over x square plus 5. That is sine of v. V is what? Root over x square plus 5 root over w, and w is x square plus 5. So here so many functions involved in between y and x. So first we will find from here. So dy by du equal to u to the power half. So half u half minus 1. That is 1 by 2 root u. That is 1 by 2, and u means sine root over x square plus 5. Du by dv equal to cos v. Again dv by dw, it is w to the power half, means 1 by, as the previous one, and last dw by dx equal to 2x. So final answer, dy by dx equal to dy by dq du by dv dv by dw dw by dx dy by du by du will be 1 by 2 root over sine x square plus 5. Du by dv cos v. V is how much? V is root over x square plus 5. And here 1 by 2. So dv by dw will be du by dv will be cos x square plus 5 1 by 2 x square plus 5 into 2x. So 1, 2, this one get cancelled. So final answer will be, final answer, dy by dx equal to x cos root divided by 2 root over x square plus 5 into sine root over x square plus 5. So this sum cannot be done by easy means without chain rule. So this is the example of chain rule. Next, example number 6. Example number 6. Say y equal to log of log ax plus 5. So in this case, how to do? So let y equal to first log u equal to log ax plus 5, that is log v, and v equal to ax plus 5. So what will get? Therefore dy by du equal to 1 by u, that is 1 by log ax plus 5, du by dv, that is equal to 1 by v, that is 1 by ax plus 5, and dv by dx equal to a only. So finally what will get? So dy by dx, that is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. dy by du 1 by log ax plus 5, 1 by ax plus 5 into a. So final answer, a by ax plus 5 into log ax plus 5. This is the final answer. Example 7. Y equal to e to the power root over 2x square plus 3x plus 8. So in this case, how to do? Let y equal to e to the power u equal to root over 2x square plus 3x plus 8, that is root v, and v equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 8. Therefore dy by du equal to derivative of e to the power u e to the power u. The answer is e to the power root over 2x square plus 3x plus 8 du by dv, that is derivative of v to the power half, half into v, half minus 1, that is 1 by 2 root v, and dv by dx equal to 4x plus 3. Therefore final answer, dy by dx equal to dy by du, du by dv into dv by dx. So therefore e to the power 2x square plus 3x plus 8 into 1 by 2 root v. V means 2x square plus 3x plus 8 into 4x plus 3. So this is the final answer. Now we'll teach shortcut method of chain rule. Shortcut method of chain rule. Shortcut method of chain rule. Previously in the first class already I have told, leave some space where we have to write the formula. Go back to that place and write down the formula. Write down the heading first. Shortcut method of chain rule. If y equal to u to the power n, where u is a function of x, y equal to u to the power n, where u is a function of x, then dy by du, now then dy by dx equal to n u n minus 1 into ddx of u. This is the main formula where u is a function of x. Continuation formula. Say it is given that y equal to e to the power u, then dy by dx equal to e to the power u into ddx of u. Continuation, y equal to say sine u, where u is a function of x, then dy by dx equal to derivative of sine u is actually cos u. Now it is, since it is function of x, the derivative of function of x. Number 3, say y equal to log u, where u is a function of x, then dy by dx equal to derivative of log u is 1 by u, so therefore 1 by u into derivative of u, which is a function of x, that is ddx of u. So this type of rule will be applicable for all other composite function. Same rule will be applicable to all other composite function. I am giving one example. Example 8. Say we are going back first example type. Say it is given 2x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 15, and we want to find dy by dx by direct chain rule. So initially we mentally will consider 2x square plus 3x plus 5 as u. So y equal to u to the power 15. Once again, mentally we will consider 2x square plus 3x plus 5 as u. So u to the power 15. Therefore, dy by dx equal to u to the power 15. The answer will be 15u 14. So therefore, 15. U stands for 2x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 15 minus 1 into, since it is a function of x, it is not only x, it is a function of x, therefore into derivative of 2x square plus 3x plus 5. So once again, mentally we are considering 2x square plus 3x plus 5 as u. So it becomes u to the power 15, and our formula for u to the power n is n u n minus 1. So n u n minus 1 into ddx of u. So therefore what we get? 15 2x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 14 into derivative of 2x square plus 3x plus 5, which is derivative of 2x square is 4x and derivative of 3x is 3. So final answer 15 into 4x plus 3 into 2x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 14. So these are direct and shortcut method. If this sum, if you do by long cut method, that is the initial formula, then how to do? At that time, alternate method. Let y equal to u to the power 15 and u equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Therefore, dy by du equal to 15u 15 minus 1. As a result, 15 into 2x square plus 3x plus 5 to the power 14. And here du by dx equal to 4x plus 3. Therefore, by chain rule, dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. dy by du answer 15 2x square plus 3x plus 5 to the power 14 into 4x plus 3. So now write this one as the first. 4x plus 3 into 2x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 14, which is answer, and we got it before. So this method, actually long method, maximum cases we have to follow shortcut method, otherwise you will be not able to complete the sum in time. So do by direct method. Example number 9. Do by direct method. Y equal to sine cos x square. So therefore dy by dx, little pay attention over here. Mentally we will consider sine u. Sine u. So derivative of sine u will be cos u. So derivative of sine u, first write down derivative of sine of cos x square. Derivative of sine u will be cos u. This one change as cos u. U means here cos x square. So sine u, answer is cos u. Now since it is a function of x, derivative of cos x square. Again we will mentally consider this is cos u. Again we will mentally consider this is cos u. So therefore answer will be cos of cos x square into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So therefore here answer will be minus sin x square. Since it is a function of x into derivative of function of x. So therefore cos of cos x square into minus sin x square into 2x. So therefore final answer minus 2x sin x square into cos of cos x square. Another example, example number 10. Say y equal to sin x by log x whole to the power 10. Sin x by log x whole to the power 10. How to do this type of sum? See, again we will consider this is u to the power 10 and we have a formula u to the power n. So therefore dy by dx equal to d dx of sin x by log x whole to the power 10. That is u to the power 10. Answer will be 10 sin x by log x whole to the power 10 minus 1 into derivative of sin x by log x. And this is the quotient rule will be applicable over here. So what will get 10 sin x by log x to the power 9 and here log x whole square log x into derivative of sin x minus sin x derivative of log x. So therefore we will get 10 sin x by log x whole to the power 9 into log x whole square. This is log x into cos x minus sin x by x. So here we can simplify further. We can do LCM in the numerator and after that we can write the final answer. Next, example number 10. Y equal to sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x. Find dy by dx at x equal to pi by 2. So it is this type of sum we have done in the first class, but here we have to do some other method. So y equal to, dividing both numerator and denominator by cos x, what will get? Sin x by cos x plus cos x by cos x, sin x by cos x minus cos x by cos x. So tan x plus 1 by tan x minus 1. We can write tan x plus tan pi by 4, and if you take minus common from the denominator, minus 1 minus tan x into tan pi by 4. So it becomes a formula, tan x plus pi by 4. So therefore dy, apply chain rule, dy by dx minus tan u minus tan u. So therefore sec square x plus pi by 4 into derivative of x plus pi by 4. So therefore minus x square x plus pi by 4 into 1. So minus x square x plus pi by 4. So at x equal to pi by 2, dy by dx equal to minus sec square pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Sec 90 plus theta is minus cosec theta, but due to square, minus cosec square pi by 4. So that is minus root 2 whole square equal to minus 2. So this is the main part of the chain rule. In the next class we will do little bit more in chain.